Asserting that Tripura has transformed into a highly business-friendly state, CM Dr. Manik Saha today declared that the massive participation of nearly 1,000 investors in the Destination Tripura Business Conclave 2026 proves that industries are eager to establish their footprint in the state. The Chief Minister was speaking after formally inaugurating the mega two-day-long investment promotion summit by watering and sapling at the Hapania International Fair Ground in Agartala on Thursday. Following the inaugural session, Chief Minister Saha briefed media personnel, reiterating that a grand assembly of almost 1,000 national and international delegates will play a vital role in expanding Tripura's industrial footprint. The state has heavily invested in robust transport, communication and logistical frameworks. Tripura is richly endowed with natural gas, high-quality rubber, wind pineapple, medicinal agarwood and bamboo. Ranking third in India's literacy rate, Tripura boasts an exceptional skilled and capable workforce. The state has deployed a hassle-free single-window system via the dedicated SOGOT portal to eliminate administrative delays and red tape.
And welcome the business leaders, investors, promoters and entrepreneurs to the Destination Tripura Business Conclave 2026. Because of the blessings of our Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji, and his activist policy vision, Tripura is one of the fastest growing states in the country. We have doubled the GSDP in just 6 years. The central government as well as the state government have made huge investment in public infrastructure like national highways, railways, airports, reliable internet and mobile connectivity, waterways and wide banking network. We have abundant stock of natural gas, rubber plantation, GI tag, wind pineapples, premium agarwood, then varied bamboo species and a rich horticulture base. Tripura is third fully literate state with a large pool of technical and skilled manpower. Now the time is right for private investment to take benefit of robust infrastructure and natural resources. That is why we have organized this investment summit on a large scale with the participation by more than 45 departments and organizations of the state and central governments. I am thankful to the donor minister, Sri Sindhia ji, for gracing this business conclave. The business conclave has brought together about 1,200 business leaders, promoters, industrialists and entrepreneurs to build Ek Tripura, Shrestha Tripura. Abundance of natural resources, all-weather connectivity and business-friendly policies makes Tripura an attractive investment destination. We have carried out extensive policy reforms in land, urban planning, industries, health, education, tourism and several other sectors. Inspired by the appeal of Honorable Prime Minister to implement reform express, Tripura has secured first rank among all the states and union territories in deregulation and compliance reduction in phase 1 and phase 2. We have simplified the land use change procedures, streamlined industrial and business permissions, built single window portals, SOGA, and introduced risk-based inspection. Digital land bank Bhunaksha has been developed under GIS environment for online inspection by the interested investors. Government land is available on lease for social, educational and commercial projects at very moderate rates. We are one of the few states that issue all industrial and business related approvals through single agency. One business, one license is our principle. Ease of doing business is our promise and ease of living is our ultimate goal. During the last year, investment proposals of more than rupees 30,000 crore were received, out of which projects of more than rupees 8,000 crore have been grounded. We have 1,58,000 hectares of natural rubber plantation, the second largest in the country. A new rubber park has been set up at Shantir Bazar with provision for research and development center, where quality rubber manufacturing, centrifuge, latest products, foam, surgical, industrial, and household goods can be set up. Rubber wood-based industries, including plywood and veneer manufacturing and biochar plants using rubber wood waste are the new investment opportunity.
The high-profile inaugural ceremony also witnessed virtual participation and video addresses from the Union Minister for Commerce and Industry alongside the Minister for Development of Northeast Region.
All of you present here on this occasion, I am extremely sorry that I cannot be with you today. It was that I was looking forward to with tremendous amount of eagerness, but due to the weather issues and the rainfall en route, the flights got delayed, so kindly excuse my absence physically with you, but I am not only virtually with you, I am emotionally with you. I am committed to you, and I bring with me the voice of not only the government of India, but I bring with me the emotions and the voice of our beloved Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji. It's a privilege today to partner Tripura in this remarkable growth journey that Tripura has embarked upon over the last decade. It's a transformational process in which Tripura has today become a strategic pillar for not only the Northeast, but a strategic pillar in India's journey towards Viksit Bharat. The Prime Minister has identified our 8 states as the Ashtalakshmi of India. And the Ashtalakshmi of India, our 8 states, will be the purveyors and the engines of growth for India in her journey towards Viksit Bharat.
A host of state cabinet ministers including Radhalal Nath, Pranajit Singh Roy, Santana Chakma, Animal Sabarma, Tinku Roy, Susanto Chaudhary and Sukla Charan Nawatia along with top administrative and bureaucratic officials were present on the dais to support the state's massive industrial push. Report by Naren from Agartala, Chini Khorang.